Kermit Gosnell is a doctor operating out of West Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He runs the Women's Medical Society abortion clinic and has a long history of providing medical assistance to the poor communities in Philadelphia. Gosnell's veneer of altruism hid a dark secret. In 2010, the clinic was raided by the FBI following reports that drugs were being sold on the premises. 1 year after the raid occurred, a report from the Pennsylvania grand jury was released, exposing the truth about Gosnell's horrifying clinic. The clinic was filthy. It was littered in animal feces and stunk of cat urine. The patient facilities, like the waiting room and operation room, were stained with blood. Medical devices, if they were even in operable condition, were rusted. However, the most horrific discovery was that the clinic was filled with the remains of infants. They were everywhere, with fridges and food containers stuffed with bodies, limbs, and organs. The employees at the clinic were all unlicensed, with one employee being only 15. Gosnell himself, despite being a doctor, lacked the proper license to perform abortions. Gosnell's standard MO was this: patients requesting an abortion would be given drugs to induce labor, with only the richer or white patients being given anything to help with the pain. The infant was birthed into a toilet, and if living, Gosnell would then sever the infant's spine with scissors, in a practice he called snipping. During his time operating the clinic, Gosnell was believed to have killed numerous infants. However, evidence only exists linking him to the death of 4, known as Baby A, Baby B, Baby C, and Baby D. Another patient named Karnamaya Mongar died at the clinic. During an abortion procedure, she was given an unmonitored dose of anesthetic medication, which caused her to stop breathing. Numerous other women suffered injuries following operations at the clinic. One woman had her cervix torn, while another was sent home with pieces of her fetus still inside her. For the deaths of 4 infants, Gosnell violated Title 18 Pennsylvania Consolidated Statutes, Section 2502, subsection A, and is charged with 4 counts of first-degree murder. For the death of Mongar, Gosnell violated Consolidated Statutes, Section 2502, subsection C, and is charged with 1 count of third-degree murder. Because Gosnell and his business derived income from the murder of infants, which is a prohibited activity, Gosnell violated Consolidated Statutes, Section 911, and is charged with 1 count of racketeering. Chapter 32 of Pennsylvania Consolidated Statutes consists of the Abortion Control Act, which Gosnell violated in 3 different ways. He is charged with 1 count of violating Section 3212, which describes infanticide. He is charged with 24 counts of violating Section 3211's ban on late-term abortion. He is also charged with 227 counts violating Section 3205's mandatory 24-hour waiting period prior to an abortion. This is a public warning. If you or anyone you know is in need of an abortion, only seek help from the proper facilities. If an abortion clinic seems unsanitary or unsafe, leave immediately. Do not accept drugs unless you know they are from a licensed professional who can identify their dosage and purpose. Although an abortion clinic that ignores Pennsylvania state law might seem preferable, be wary that that clinic might ignore other laws. Do not fall prey to a predator like Kermit Gosnell.